online marketer and YouTuber. Hey, welcome. Hey, I've been doing this kind of special series during the coronavirus, being at home and all. And, of course, my channel is everything about credit and making money online and trying to help you, navigate through these days. Today is the April 25th. And actually, this is a story that from my Miami Herald. The first rounds of checks the first round of COVID-19 checks went out yesterday in the mail. If you didn't have a direct deposit, whatever the case may be, and you're expecting a check, they started yesterday, Friday, April 24th, and at about 5 million per week, the IRS expect to take up to 20 weeks, with some receiving checks much sooner than others. So when will you see yours? The most financial in need should be the first in line. The House Committee on Ways and Means decided, and the IRS schedule reflects that. Each round is based on income organized in 10,000 increments, according to the Washington Post. People who earn $10,000 or less a year based on their 2018-19 tax filings are the target of the first wave of checks. The first wave of checks just distributed. Earners in the 10 to 20,000 bracket come next, and they will get theirs cut May 1, followed by 20 to 30,000 bracket May 8th, and so on until everyone is eligible who has been covered, the Post reported. The first 10 weeks are for individual filers. Under the CARES Act, anyone earning $75,000 or less is eligible for 1,200 stimulus checks, with increasingly shrinks more money than the individual earns. Individuals earning $99,000 or more will receive no federal money. However, if individuals files as head of household, they qualify for a full $1,200 with an additional gross income $112,500 a year or less, and can still get some federal money up until they hit the 146.5 threshold. Checks for joint filers start July 3rd and end September 4th, according to each company. Joint filers such as married couples can earn a combined total of $198,000 before losing eligibility. Whoever the IRS missed before, and for whatever reason, the final batch of payments on September 11th is for them, according to the Post. If someone was missed, it is, in most cases, because IRS did not have proper tax information for them, and they need to apply for the checks according to the outlet. Here's a full schedule. I'm going to leave this link below. I won't try to go over it, but you can see the link starts at April 24th, which was yesterday, and it just shows you week by week. For anyone who doesn't want to wait any longer for a paper check, it's not too late to sign up for direct deposit using Get My Payment portal on the IRS website. It's also a way to track the status of the checks, payments that doesn't require users to set up a direct deposit if they don't want to. If no checks ever arrive, the IRS can be notified. The IRS will send a letter within 15 days of mailing a check that provides instructions on what to do if the money never arrived and how to report it. So look, this is a quick video. I know, a lot of you guys probably, if you did do direct deposit, you were getting that payment notification. And typically, so what happened to me a couple of days ago, that went away. Because remember, I think I told you, if you watch my other videos, and I think I got about 10 coronavirus videos, you check those out. But so mine finally came off, and it said they needed my information, my direct deposit information. So they put all the data in. So sometime when it's sitting there and says no status or whatever, meaning that they haven't, especially like me, if you just filed taxes and they hadn't put all your data in, or for other reason they may not have your data. So keep checking. Just be be a little patient. But mine finally came up and said, put this in. And then also I went to it today to say, we got your information. We'll let you know when when your check is coming, but also you may just see your check in your direct deposit account. So, so check that out. But look, hey, just wanted to drop this quick video, let you guys know that the stimulus paper checks are on the way. Be safe, stay 6 feet back, wear a face mask when you go out. Please check out my other videos that I had done during this whole coronavirus period. There's a lot of tricks and tips in there that can help you. Deferments, using deferred money that you're using for the house or whatever the case may be to pay down some of your debt, especially utilization. Also, I'm gonna do a video that a lot of banks right now are reducing credit card limits, so be aware of that. I'm gonna probably do a video here in the next day or so on that. But look, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. Hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Share this with your friends and family, and make a comment if you like. Tony Hill for making sense of credit, making sense of making money online. Peace, guys.